Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Early symptoms of dementia. Dementia is a collection of symptoms that can occur due to a variety of possible diseases. Dementia symptoms include impairment in thought, communication, and memory. Symptoms of dementia. If you or your loved one is experiencing memory problems, don't immediately conclude that it is as dementia. A person needs to have at least two types of impairment that significantly interfere with everyday life to receive a dementia diagnosis. In addition to difficulty remembering, the person may also experience impairment in language, communication, focus, reasoning, etc. The first one is subtle short-term memory changes. Trouble with memory can be an early symptom of dementia. The changes are often subtle and tend to involve short-term memory. An older person may be able to remember events that took place years ago, but not what they had for breakfast. Other symptoms of changes in short-term memory include forgetting where they left an item, struggling to remember why they entered a particular room, or forgetting what they were supposed to do on any given day. The second one is difficulty in finding the right words. Another early symptoms of dementia is struggling to communicate thoughts. A person with dementia may have difficulty explaining something or finding the right words to express themselves. Having a conversation with a person who has dementia can be difficult and it may take longer than usual to conclude. Third one is changes in mood. A change in mood is also common with dementia. If you have dementia, it is not always easy to recognize this in yourself, but you may notice this change in someone else. Depression, for instance, is typical for early dementia. Apathy. Apathy or listlessness commonly occurs in early dementia. A person with symptoms could lose interest in hobbies or activities. They may not want to go out anymore or do anything fun. They may lose interest in spending time with friends and family, and they may seem emotionally flat. The fifth one is difficulty in completing normal tasks. A subtle shift in the ability to complete normal tasks may indicate that someone has early dementia. This usually starts with difficulty in doing more complex tasks like balancing a checkbook or playing games that have a lot of rules. Sixth one is confusion. Someone in the early stages of dementia may often become confused. When memory, thinking, or judgment lapses, confusion may arise as they can no longer remember faces, find the right words, or interact with people normally. Seventh one, difficulty in following storylines. Difficulty in following storylines may occur due to early dementia. This is a classical early symptom. Just as finding and using the right words become difficult, people with dementia sometimes forget the meaning of the words they hear or struggle to follow along with the conversations or TV programs. The eighth one, a failing sense of direction. The sense of direction and spatial orientation commonly starts to deteriorate with an onset of dementia. This can mean not recognizing one's familiar landmarks and forgetting regularly used directions. It also becomes more difficult to follow a series of directions and step-by-step instructions. Ninth one is being repetitive. Repetition is common in dementia because of memory loss and general behavioral changes. The person may repeat daily tasks such as shaving, or they may collect items obsessively. They also may repeat the same questions in a conversation after they have been answered. 10th one, struggling to adapt to change. For someone in the early stages of dementia, the experience can cause fear. Suddenly, they can't remember people they know or follow what others are saying. They can't remember why they went to the store and they get lost on the way home. Because of this, they might crave routine and be afraid to try new experiences. Difficulty in adapting to change is also a typical symptom of dementia. Check this if you have like this. Thank you all. Have a nice day.